Hey everyone, we are Group 16 in the CS-7641 class of Spring 2021, and today we'd like to talk about our COVID-19 case rate prediction project proposal. So as we all already know, the coronavirus pandemic has been affecting all of us for a little more than a year now. And since the beginning of the pandemic, different states have been using different policies to combat the spread of the virus. And there's been many discussions and debates on which policies are the most effective. Since each state has been publishing plenty of data regarding COVID-19, we think there is a great opportunity to use machine learning to help figure out which approaches are most effective in preventing the spread of the COVID cases and which ones are not. That way, we can hopefully return to a more normal and maskless life as soon as possible.
Yeah, so the problem we're attempting to solve in this situation is which features of COVID-19 prevention, all those different aspects of COVID-19 prevention, which ones are most important? So how important are comorbidities? How important is the vaccine? How important are stay-at-home orders even? Understanding how these different features interact with the case rate for COVID is our main goal.
So our project will be divided into two parts with a supervised learning component and an unsupervised component. And firstly, our supervised component will focus on predicting the number of COVID cases each state has based on feature data we have for each state. And after reviewing some algorithms that other COVID-19 machine learning studies have used, we've decided to test the performance of linear regression, decision trees, random forest, and support vector machine for our project and compare their results. With unsupervised learning, we want to use dimensionality reduction to narrow down which features have the greatest impact on the COVID-19 case rate. And for this, we can use principal component analysis.
So the results from our project will hopefully tell us which factors are the most important in helping a state reduce the spread of COVID-19. And that way the states can have a more methodical approach to combating the pandemic. For instance, we may find that healthcare quality can be very impactful, whereas stay-at-home orders don't really do that much impact, in which case the state can use this information from our project to help use its resources on factors that actually do play a significant role in mitigating the spread of the virus.
Yeah, so just to kind of tap some loose ends about data and things like that. So we're going to get our data from a bunch of different sources. That means that it's going to have to be cleaned inevitably. So understanding some good data science techniques, a bunch of different utilizing skills that might be useful in cleaning data, making it more usable. Those are all things we're going to have to employ to some extent. So that's about it for our proposal. Here are a couple references for you guys to check out. Thank you very much.